So instead, I was discussing 4 cases, right? Case 1, defining a variable, defining a variable, right? Yes. If I'm saying like x equal to 10, print x means it prints the value 10. If I want to print the address, we have got ID of x, right? ID of x, address of x. Print type of x means what data type it is. Print type of x, right? Yes. Yes. File, we need to save it. File, save. int1 dot py. I'm saving it as in run module, right? Yes. Print x 10. Just I'm keeping both side by side. Print x means 10. Address means where exactly it is stored. Type of x is what type? Int type. Address means where exactly it is stored. And type of x is what type? Int type. Okay. Next, case 2. I'll just copy the same code for case 2. Yes, copy. So if you want to write another program code, file, new file, you need to say write. I'm pasting here, Control V. So here in the case 2, right? In the case 2, x is 10, y is 20. X is 10, y is 20. So case 2, defining two different variables. Defining two different variables. Defining two different variables with the two different values. Two different objects gets created. Two different variables with two different values, then two different objects gets created. With two different addresses. Two different values with two different, then two different objects gets created with two different addresses. X is 10, y is 20. Print x, address of x, type of x. The same way, I want to print y, address of y, and type of y. Print y, address of y, and type of y, right? So of y will it be same or different? The address of x and address of y, is it going to be the same or different?
Different, sir. Different, sir.
Different, right?
Different.
Because different values, different objects, different addresses will be created. Just observe the contents are different, 10, 20, the addresses will be different. The type is what? Both int type only. I'll copy the entire code for case 3. Yes, fine. File, new file for case 3. X is 10, y also 10, right? X is 10, y also 10. Defining two different variables with same values. Defining two different variables with same values. Two different variables with same values. Then only one object gets created. Only one object gets created. And its address is written. And its address is written to both. X is 10, y is 10. Print X, print Y. Both are same. Address also will be the same. Type also will be the same. Run module. 10, 10. Content is same. Address is same. Type also same. Okay. Next, one more. Case 4, right? Case 4. X is 10 and X is 20. X is 10 and X is 20. Defining two variables with same names and same values. Defining two variables with same name but with different values. Two different objects. Then two different objects gets created. Two variables with same name but with different values. Then two different objects gets created. And the previous object gets removed. X equal to 10, X equal to 20. Always it prints 20. The address of 20, type of 20. The previous X gets removed. On module, right? Yes. 10, 20. So always the latest value, its address and its type, right? Any queries in this case, 4 cases, anyone? Any queries in these 4 cases? So one query in case 3. 10, and if I give 10.0, the address will be same or different? So previously the address was same 10 and 10. Now 10 and 10.0.
Different, sir.
10 and 10.0. Yes, here the type of file will be float type. A type of X is int type. The address of float and address of X will be different. Address of Y is float, address of X is int. So this integer address, float address. Both are different. Run module. Ten and 10.0, right? Integer and float. This case, okay, fine. Now, coming to this data type again, coming to this data types. Data types mainly are of two types. Data types are of two types. Fundamental data types is and collection data types. Fundamental data types and collection data types. Fundamental data types, object holding single value. What is that? Example like x equal to 10. One object is created with value 10 with some address. The address is given to x. Here object holding single value, object to holding single value. Object to holding group of values. Object to holding a group of values, right? Or collection of values. Object holding group of values or collection of values. Example like x equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, right? Yes. Here also one object will be created. One object gets created with this, right? Group of values, set of values, right? Yes. Just you can check here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. An object is created, right? So it is going to have some address. The address is given to x. So object holding group of values. Here, what is it? Object holding. Object holding single value and object holding group of values. Okay, what are the various fundamental data types and what are the various collection data types, right? Yes. various fundamental data types. Fundamental data types, how many types? 5 types. Int, float, boolean, integer, float, boolean, string. Complex. Integer, right? Mainly, right? Integer. Age 25. Float. Height 6.3, something in decimals, right? Boolean which returns either true or false. So T should be in uppercase, F also should be in uppercase. String, sequence collection of characters. City equal to Hyderabad. Sequence collection of characters, complex. In general mathematics, we say A plus IB, A plus IB, or X plus IY. So in X plus IY, right? So in Python, instead of 5, we use J. That's it. I'll be discussing about it. Yes. Collection types. Collection data types. 4 types of collections. List represented using squared bracket. So list of values, second, like tuple. Tuple represented like that. Set represented using curly bracket. Dictionary like collection of key and value. Collection of key and value, right? Yes. List, tuple, set, and dictionary, right? List, tuple, set, and dictionary. Dictionary like key and value. Dictionary key and value means, for example, name Ajay, age 25. For example, this is key, name, value. Key, value. City Hyderabad. City will be the key, Hyderabad will be the value. So key value representations, collection of key value bits, we call it like a dictionary. Okay. So next, we have got a lot of discussion on strings, string indexing, string properties, string slicing, string functions, string methods, string special characters, right? Yes. What is a string? A string is a sequence collection of, it's a sequence collection of characters. String is a sequence collection of characters. In Python, a string is represented. A string is represented using single quote, double quote, a string is represented using single quote, double quote, and triple quote. In Python, a string represented using single, double, and triple quote. Triple quote means in this way also. Yes. Single quote, double quote, or triple quote. Fine. So for single line string, a word, for a word or a single line, right? Go with single quote or double quote. For a particular word or a sentence, right? We go for single or double quote. For multiple lines of string, we go with triple quote. We go with triple quote, right? Yes. So each character of a string is a collection of characters, right? Each character of a string. Each character of a string is represented or accessed by a unique index. String supports two types of indexes. String supports two types of indexes. Positive index, positive index or forward index, right? Negative index or backward index. Positive index or forward index, negative index or backward index. So here starts from left to right, yes. Index starts with 0. Here it starts from right to left. Index starts with -1. Index starts with -1. So here you can say two types of indexes: positive index or forward index, negative index or backward index. One starts from left to right, other starts from right to left. Yes. Index starts with 0, index starts with -1. Okay. X equal to Python, Python, Python. An object will be created in this way. Object gets created, right? Okay, in this way. Python. going to have some address. The address is given to X. So here index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a like past to index or forward index. Past to index or forward index. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. This is what backward index or negative index or backward. Negative index. Positive index or forward index, negative index or backward index. What is the value of x of 2 here?
T.
T, sir.
X of 2 value is t. X of -2 is what?
0.
Oh. X
N,
of,
sir.
yeah, -2. -1 is n, -2 is O. X of 2, 0, 1, 2 is t. X of -2. -2 means what? This one. O. Yes. So single line comment starts with hash symbol. Multi-line comments means we can give with triple quote and with triple quote. All this won't be executed now. X equal to Python, Python, right? Print X. Okay, it prints the entire string. Type of X will be what type? What you are trying to assign to X? str, string type. Observe this output. Type of X will be what type? String. Y equal to programming.
Y.
X plus Y. We call this as concatenation. Concatenation, right?
Concatenation.
Adding two concatenation means adding two strings. Adding two strings means first string followed by second string. Observe this output, right? Concatenation. Python plus programming. You can see this output. Python programming. But you want space between Python and programming? Add three strings. X is Python, Y is programming. Between these two, one blank string. Python space programming. We have added three strings, right? Yes. Next. String slicing. String slicing, right? Extracting particular portion of a string. Particular portion of a string. X equal to Python program. X equal to Python program. Extract only Python from this. Extract only Python from this. Yes. Print X of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I need to say? 0 to 0 colon. Yes. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 colon 6 I need to say. Actually 5. This we call like lower bound. This we call it like upper bound. Always, I'm writing a comment. Always upper bound is excluded. Always upper bound is excluded. Up to 5 only it will take, right? Yes. Save it. File, save.
We take index wise, sir.
Run module, right? Python, right? What is output you got? Python. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0 colon 6. 6 excluded up to 0, 4, 0 colon 5. Yes. Extract the middle portion of the string. Extract. PROG. Extract what? PROG. Extract that. Extract that. PROG.
Seven.
Yeah, try to answer. Right? X of
7 colon 11.
Yeah, 7 to, yes, 0,
11.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Start with 7, 8, 9, 10. We need to give 11 because 11 excludes up to 10 it takes. Yeah, PROG you get, right? Yes, run module, you can check it. PROG, yes. If I say in the opposite way, 11 to 7, print X of 11 to 7, if I say. We get empty string. We get what? Empty string. Because always slicing in the forward direction. Always slicing in the forward direction. If you go in backward, 7 to 11 means forward. 7 to 11 means you're going forward. If you go backward, 11 to 7, empty string, because always slicing should be in the forward direction. Extract the entire word program. Extract the entire word program. Extract the entire word. Okay. So before that, right, extract PROG using negative index. Extract PROG, right, using negative index. Using negative index. Try to answer. Yes, print x of negative index. PROG
-4
-4 to
-8.
-8
means you are going backward. -4 to -8 means you are going backward direction, right? Using negative index also you should go in forward direction only. -4 to -8 gives empty string. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Start with -7. Okay. -7 you want, -6 you want, -5 you want, -4 you want. Give -3. Will extract PROG, right? Yes. Observe this output.
You repeat one more time, sir. Look at -7.
This is -1, right?
Mhm.
-2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. So you want PROG, you want
Oh, okay.
-7, -6, -5, -4. If I give -4, -4 excludes. That's why -3 I give.
Good.
Extract the entire word program. Try to say using positive index first.
Eight 14. 8 15.
7 to 7 you want, 8 you want, 9 you want, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 if I give, M will be excluded. So I need to give 14. Seven to 14. 14 excludes up to 7 to 13 will be taken. 7 to 13. Okay, 14 excludes. Okay. Now, for example, like print x of right 7 to don't provide the upper bound. This both will work, right? This is the shortcut. 7 to 14 or 7 to up to the end of the string. Both are going to work, right? Yes. Observe this output. Run module, right? 7 to 14 or 7 to this. Program and program. Now try to say the same thing using negative index, right? Try to say it by using negative index x of, try to say using negative index, right? Yes. -7 to, yes. Don't provide the upper bound. -7 means this. Don't provide the upper bound. -7 to up to the end of this list. Okay. So -7 to this.
So, sir, how it works for, we need to get the data till first space.
We need to get the data till
First space. Here, Python.
Mm.
For example, if my name is Vijay Kumar Gaud,
Mm.
so I need to get Vijay Kumar.
Mm.
After that, there is a space. So how can we get?
Slicing, right? Which index to which index you want? Which index to which index you want? Which character to which character you want? Slice it.
But in first line, first line we have I have Python. Second line I have some Python program space. So
So for those things, we have got regular expressions in Python. Regular expressions in Python, right? So regular expressions. So later we discuss about regular expressions, right?
okay, sure.
So this all gives that entire word program run module.
ధోని బాబాయ్ ఫోన్ చేస్తున్న వీడియో కాల్ చూడొకసారి చెయ్యి.
Please be in mute. Okay. Extracting the entire word program. Now, what if I ignore this lower bound like this? I'm not providing this lower bound and I'm providing 6. What does this indicate, right? Start of the string to 6th character. It explies from the start of the string to 6 means this and this both are same. It will give Python as the output. What if I ignore both print x of colon, right? Yes. Entire, what is it? Entire string x of similar to print x, similar to print x of 0. X of 0 to remaining, right? Yes.
It will print the entire thing. Python space program.
Pardon? Yes. X of 0 to remaining means entire. Okay, this is okay. 1 second. These 3 statements results the same output. Python program, and Python program, right? Yes. So that is what string slicing, extracting particular portion of a string. Next. So just I'll take 5 minutes more. So we have got string methods, right? Yes. First one, upper. To print in uppercase. To print in uppercase. Yes, x equal to, for example, Hyderabad, right? Print the entire Hyderabad in uppercase means print which one? X. X means Hyderabad. Dot upper, that's it. It prints everything in uppercase. Run module. What is that? Printing everything in uppercase Hyderabad. Next. To print in lowercase. X equal to Mumbai. Print x dot lower x dot lower, right? Yes. X dot lower means Mumbai in lowercase. Run module. Check this. That we don't need to write huge codings here in Python. We have got inbuilt functions and methods available. For example, x equal to India, INDIA. I want only the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. X dot capitalize. X dot capitalize means only the first character I only should be capitalized. Run module, check it. So that double quotes is not closed. India, only the first character I only in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower case. We have got a method called capitalize. Can you check here? Only the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all in lower cases. Yes. Next, for example, okay, what is this? Capitalize. Capitalize. For capitalizing, the first character of a string. Upper, lower, capitalize, title. For example, you have got how many words are there? 3 words are there. Good morning, Hyderabad. I want every word first character in the uppercase. G in uppercase, M in uppercase, Hyderabad H in uppercase. So very simple, right? Print X dot title I need to say. Good morning, Hyderabad. So if you see each and every character, each and every word first character in the uppercase, right? First G, M. For capitalizing the first character. For capitalizing the first character of each word. So for example, I got some employees like this. Employees. Rahul, Ajay, Blake, Miller, James, John, Amar. In this way, I got some names. Print emps dot title, emps dot title, right? Yes. Run module, right? Each and every employee name, first character in uppercase it prints. Rahul, Ajay, Blake, Miller, James, John, and Amar, right? Yes. So in this way, we have got many methods: upper, lower, capitalize, title, swap case, find, format, strip, starts with, ends with. We have got many methods. In the next class, I discuss more on these methods, right? So the next class will be on Monday. Monday we'll have the next class on Monday, right? So tomorrow Sunday there is no class. Next class on Monday. So Monday the link will be changing, right? So you're supposed to get enrolled by paying the fees. Yes.
But tomorrow there is no class, sir.
Tomorrow Sunday no class. Again next class will be on Monday. So you can see in the chart, right? The content demo videos, and that fee structure of the payment details, how to pay, right? Don't forget to share the screenshot of your payment to this online team. Then only they'll forward you that link. Okay, fine. Any other queries?
Timings are same, no? For a month.
Yeah, once again, I'm saying about the timings, right? Timings, I said for the first 1 week, it will be 1 week, right? It will be at starts at 8 o'clock, but later after 1 week, it starts at 7 o'clock, I said. Up to the end of the course. Up to the end of the course, it will be like at 7 o'clock. For the first 1 week, it will be at 8, but later it will be at 7. It starts at 7 to 8. Fine. Yes, Gautami, right? You got any query, right?
Python install కావడం లేదు సార్.
It is not getting installed. Okay.
Yes sir.
Okay. It's okay. 1 second. Will you share your screen? Share screen option is there. Share screen. Can you see that in the Zoom? Share screen. A green color icon will be there. Click it. Your screen will be shared. Yours Windows is what? Gautami. Is it Windows 7?
Windows is working sir.
No. Which Windows? Windows 10 or Windows 7? Your Windows.
I don't idea sir.
So if anyone using the older versions of Windows 7 or Windows 8,
Sir, this is old version of Windows sir.
old version means Windows 10 is not going, this Python 12 is not going to work. If you have got older version of Windows, right? Windows 7 or Windows 8, you are supposed
Yes sir.
Windows 7 or Windows 8 means this is not, it won't install. You need to download Python 3.7 or 3.7 version. 3.7 or 3.8.
Okay sir.
Python 3.7 or 3.8, any version you can download and install. Right? Okay.
Okay sir. Sir, all features are working in Python sir.
Yes.
In that version.
Yes. Everything will work.
Okay, fine sir.
Okay. So I'm stopping for now. Meet you on Monday, right? But the link will be changing. Yes, get enrolled, right? Yes.
Thank you, sir.